If you're thinking about ordering from Myrtle Beach Boutique, here's what I found after digging through reviews and customer feedback. And honestly, there are some serious concerns you should know before spending your money. A lot of shoppers report that what they received didn't match the photos at all. The clothes often look cheaper, fit differently, and feel more like mass-produced, drop-shipped items than a real boutique brand. Another big issue is the return policy. While it advertises a 30-day money-back guarantee, customers say returning items usually means shipping them back to China at your own cost, which can get expensive fast. And in many cases, people report being offered partial refunds instead of a full return. There are also claims that the brand is heavily driven by social media ads, giving the impression of a local South Carolina boutique when it may just be part of a larger overseas supply chain. So, before you buy from Myrtle Beach Boutique, it's worth checking reviews carefully and comparing with trusted local shops through guides like the Visit Myrtle Beach Shopping Guide. Bottom line, do your homework, because this is one of those stores where expectations and reality don't always match.